So, tips para sa mga OFW kagaya ko dyan na gustong-gustong mag-start ng negosyo pero hindi alam kung magkano ang pwede mong ipalabas talaga. So, number one, start small. So, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-invest ng malaki talaga para makapag-start ng negosyo mo. So, begin with what you can afford. So, number two, use your social media. So, take advantage of Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms to reach your potential customers. So, number three, kailangan mong mag-build ng trust. So, offer excellent customer service para babalik-balikan ka ng mga clients mo. So, that's all for today's tips. And follow me for more. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.